Good morning, YouTubers. It's Will here. A bit different today. We're doing a string review. Yes, lovely silver guitar strings. These are the new, well, I don't know how new they are, but the Earnie Ball Cobalt specials. Recommended to me by the guy in Soundhouse. And I have to say, I've been using them for about 2 or 3 weeks now. Still sounds as tight as a nut. They don't feel that different to play. A little bit, maybe a bit more grippy than you'd expect, but after getting back into the swing of it, absolutely fine. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a sound demo. You can see what abuse these things can take and still be in tune. Bearing in mind this is still a Floyd Rose locked guitar. You still do get the slight tuning problems if you do too crazy on the whammy bar sort of thing, but you'll see what I mean. So just put it onto the clean channel for you so you can hear it. Yeah. Just back to the clean channel for just a nice. So yeah, so as I say, Cobalt Earnie Ball. These are the super slinky, so set of 9s on here. Great strings. Cost a little bit more. I think they're about $11.99 a pack. But yeah, I suppose if enough people buy them, like the normal Super Slinkies, they will come down in price. On a slightly different but unrelated topic, I have rejigged good old Brian here. He's now got slightly heavier strings and they tweak the action a wee bit, so he can cope with a bit more heavy stuff. Not that heavy though, not drop B. I will just turn the volume up on the amp because it's quite hard to hear the mids and the lows when it's that low down, so it's just... I really can't remember what strings I put on him, but these weren't the Cobalt ones, just purely because I didn't expect the Cobalt to be that expensive. I think I ended up spending about 22 quid's worth on 2 packs of guitar strings. But yeah, I definitely recommend the Earnie Ball Cobalt. They are very, very good strings. This will probably be my last video from the lovely town of Newent, moving up to London soon. So keep your eyes posted, London, I'm coming for you, and I shall see you when I see you. Good night.